updated and upgraded waterfront home. Picture-perfect cul-de-sac backed by one of the best coves in Canyon Lake. Coast Cove is located a short distance from the main channel and is one of the deepest and most spacious coves on the lake. This home is move-in ready. Recently remodeled with new bathrooms, paint, carpet and tile flooring, stainless appliances and granite countertops and custom backsplash. Great water views from the kitchen and family room and only steps out the French doors to the full-length covered deck. This home has 50 feet of water frontage with its own private dock with Hydrolift.